Today's topic is all about embracing the power of repair and learning how to fix the things we already have, instead of tossing them aside for something new. Number 1. Benefits of repairing. When we choose to repair our belongings instead of replacing them, we're not only saving money, but we're also reducing waste and doing our part to protect the environment. Every item we save from the landfill is one less thing polluting our planet, and repairing items can be an excellent way to reduce our carbon footprint. Repairing items can also be a great way to learn new skills and expand our knowledge. By learning how to repair things, we become more self-sufficient and confident in our abilities. It's a great feeling to know that we don't have to rely on someone else to fix things for us, and we can take care of our possessions on our own. Number 2. Identifying repairable items. The first thing to consider when identifying repairable items is the extent of the damage. Is it a simple fix, such as a loose screw or a torn seam, or is it more extensive damage, like a broken appliance or a ripped couch cushion? If the damage is minor, then it's likely repairable. Another factor to consider is the age and quality of the item. If it's a high-quality item that has been well maintained, then it's more likely worth repairing. On the other hand, if it's a low-quality item that was cheaply made, then it might not be worth the time and effort to repair it. It's also important to consider the sentimental value of the item. Sometimes an item might not be worth repairing financially, but it holds sentimental value that makes it worth fixing. In these cases, repairing the item can bring a sense of nostalgia and comfort, making it well worth the cost. Number 3. Basic repair techniques. One of the most basic repair techniques is sewing. A loose button or torn seam might seem like a minor issue, but it can quickly turn into a bigger problem if left unaddressed. Sewing a button or fixing a tear can be easily done with a needle and thread, and it can save us the cost of having to replace the entire item. Another basic repair technique is gluing. Whether it's a broken vase or a loose table leg, glue can be a simple solution. There are many types of adhesives available, and choosing the right one for the job can make all the difference. From super glue to epoxy, there's a glue for every situation. In addition to sewing and gluing, basic tools such as pliers and screwdrivers can be used to fix a wide variety of items. A loose screw or a broken hinge can often be fixed with a few simple twists of a screwdriver or pliers. Finally, there are online tutorials and DIY guides that can help us learn more complex repair techniques, such as fixing an appliance or reupholstering a piece of furniture. By taking the time to learn these skills, we can save ourselves money and become more self-sufficient in the process. Number 4. Resources for repair. One of the best resources for repair is the internet. There are countless blogs, forums, and YouTube channels dedicated to DIY repair, where you can find step tutorials and advice on fixing everything from appliances to clothing. Many of these resources are completely free and can be accessed from the comfort of your own home. Another great resource for repair is your local library. Many libraries offer a wide selection of books and magazines on DIY repair and maintenance, as well as access to online databases that can provide valuable information on a variety of topics. Best of all, these resources are typically available for free or at a very low cost. If you're looking for a more hands-on approach, consider taking a class or workshop on DIY repair. Many community centers, adult education programs, and even hardware stores offer classes on a variety of repair topics, from basic plumbing to advanced electronics. These classes can provide you with valuable skills and knowledge, as well as an opportunity to meet other DIY enthusiasts in your community. Finally, don't forget about the experts. If you're tackling a particularly difficult repair or just need some advice, consider consulting with a professional. Many repair shops and service centers offer consultations and advice, and some may even be willing to walk you through the repair process over the phone or in person. Number 5. DIYs, professional repair. One of the main benefits of DIY repair is the cost savings. By fixing your possessions yourself, you can avoid the cost of hiring a professional and potentially save hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. Additionally, DIY repair can be a fun and rewarding hobby that allows you to develop new skills and learn more about how things work. However, there are also some downsides to DIY repair. For one thing, it can be time-consuming and require a lot of patience and persistence. Additionally, if you don't have the right tools or knowledge, you could end up causing more damage to your possessions or even injuring yourself. In contrast, professional repair offers a number of benefits as well. For one thing, professionals have the knowledge, skills, and tools needed to quickly and effectively fix your possessions, often with a guarantee or warranty. This can provide you with peace of mind knowing that the repair is done right the first time. Additionally, by using a professional, you can save time and avoid the frustration of trying to fix something yourself. However, professional repair can also be expensive, especially for more complex repairs or high-end items. Additionally, there may be a wait time to schedule an appointment, which can be frustrating if you need the item fixed quickly. So, which option is right for you? It depends on the item you need to repair, your level of skill and knowledge, and your budget. For simple repairs or basic maintenance tasks, DIY repair can be a cost-effective and fun option. However, for more complex repairs or high-value items, it may be best to leave the job to the professionals. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of day 22 of our Savings Challenge. Subscribe now to join us tomorrow for day 23 of our 30-day Savings Challenge, where we'll be exploring how your local library can save you money. We'll provide you with even more unique and creative tips to help you achieve your financial goals. See you then!